Let me ask you a question. If you, as the business owner, got sued tomorrow, your personal assets would be covered by your general liability insurance, right? Wrong. It's a common misconception that there's a clear line between your personal assets and your business assets, but it's simply not true. Just ask the former owner of a daycare who recently got sued after he sold his business. The person he sold it to claimed false information was used about its profitability to seal the deal. The buyer demanded to be reimbursed for all losses he incurred. The legal fees and settlement reached $675,000, and the general liability policy wouldn't touch the claim. Therefore, the seller's personal assets became fair game. What a nightmare, right? Unfortunately, there are thousands of stories like this from business owners and board members who assume their personal assets are not at risk because they have a general liability or umbrella policy. But then the day comes when they get sued by a customer, employee, or a competitor and discover the horrible news that they're not covered. Yikes! And this is not just a concern for big public companies. While these lawsuits get the most attention, there are thousands of suits brought against private small businesses every year, which correlate to millions of dollars in settlements and jury awards. These lawsuits can come in many forms, such as financial mismanagement, discrimination, harassment, negligence, and more. Even government regulators can sue you. The threat of a lawsuit can hit you from anywhere. And unless you have D&O insurance, you're putting your personal assets at risk every day with every decision you make. D&O insurance is designed to protect your personal assets and those of your directors and officers from any alleged wrongdoing. A D&O policy provides protection against risks that are specifically excluded from your general liability, business owner, and umbrella policies. Call us today to make sure your personal assets are protected in the event your business is sued.